Zeiff 45% pure concentrated vinegar delivers far stronger cleaning power than standard household vinegar, so a small amount goes a long way once diluted for everyday jobs. In the home, it tackles greasy kitchen surfaces, glass, mirrors, tile, stainless steel, and countertops, while also helping with laundry deodorizing and stain removal without relying on added dyes or harsh caustic agents. The formula is made with a simple acetic acid and water base, which makes it a more straightforward option for people who prefer minimal ingredients and want to avoid heavy synthetic fragrances or parabens. Outdoors, it works well for cleaning patios, decks, fences, and garden tools, helping to lift rust stains, moss, and grime from brick, stone, wood, and concrete with a soak and scrub approach. Gardeners can use this technical-grade vinegar as a natural tool for managing unwanted plant growth and adjusting soil conditions without turning to many traditional chemical herbicides. Because of its high acidity and technical-grade consistency, it is also suitable for industrial and laboratory environments where cutting through heavy grease, scale, and mineral buildup is important while still remaining sewer and septic safe.